Hey everybody, do you want to check out a Smokin' Smash book? Actually, I've got 3 of them. Something that you can create, or you can actually go online and buy yourself for a really good price. Check out this video and you will not be disappointed. So I just recently went to a cool little store. I'm going to show you this card, and I will have the links in the description. But this cool little store was in Bragg Creek, Alberta, and it was called the Painted Moose, and it's a artist cooperative, if you will. Artists put their different creations in the store. They take turns working at the store and they sell their items. And one thing I was fascinated by was not just Nancy's Smash books that she made, but she also has amazing pieces of art for your wall. So if you're in the Bragg Creek area, I highly recommend checking her out. If not, you can go to her website, which is nancylindquist.ca, and check out her website. I bought this book myself when I was in Bragg Creek. It is awesome. It is absolutely gorgeous, and I'm going to show you. She actually created all of this, her entire self, like the cover, everything. And she apparently uses a sublimation style of making the paper and the covers and whatnot, and a heck of a lot of stitching. So you will see that. But I highly recommend checking this out. After I got this one, I decided this was just not enough, and I needed to get some more. So I actually bought 2 more from her, and I have an online auction coming up here in the next month and a half, and she was nice enough to donate one, so that will be in our auction. So I will put the link to that auction in the description as well if you want to go on and bid for one, but you can also buy one, and they are a rockin' deal. So anyways, I'm going to show you this. This is so awesome. She makes these covers, and like I said, right from scratch, and then they're stitched. It's got these awesome snaps, so you can snap those. And look at this. I'm going to keep her card up there. Sorry, I have the hiccups. This is all stitched. She has this nice little intro on her Smash books, and then she has obviously reused a lot of different papers and books from elsewhere. She has that in the description in the front. There's a lot of pullouts, tons and tons of pullouts in these things, and tons of stitching. Like I said, I'm not going to go through every single page, but just to show you just the detail and the stitching. She added little pieces of paper to other sheets of paper. It is absolutely amazing. Stamps. Look at the work in this. Some stickers, some rubber stamps, and her signatures are nice and tight and bound very, very well. I will show you that. So the signature is done very, very well as well. So I really recommend, if you're looking for something you don't want to make your own, or you want something that is absolutely gorgeous and amazing, you should check out Nancy's website. Or if you're in the area, go check out the Painted Moose in Bragg Creek, Alberta. It is very, very cool. So look at that, hey? And this thing is chock full of pages. Like, there are a lot of pages in this. You know, she made her own little tags. So there's lots of different little trinkets and things in here, pullouts, flips. And all these papers she made. So this is with her technique, and she describes it in the front of the book. You have to get the book to check it out. But it's absolutely amazing, and like, I can't tell you enough just how much is in this. There's punches. Yeah, it's amazing. So Nancy is extremely talented, and I recommend checking this out. So there's that one. And look how thick that is. Like, there's a lot here. And I'm going to tell you, I only paid $45 Canadian for this. So for you Americans watching this, that's less than $45 US. So you can't make something with your time and all the effort put into this. And I don't know about you, but I don't know how to make these type of papers and covers and whatnot. Absolutely gorgeous. So when I got that one, I was kicking myself for not buying another one while I was there. But I got a couple more. So, and I just got these in the mail. This is the second one I just received, and I got this from her in the mail. This is the front and the back cover. I love brights, but both of the books I just received are not brights, so you will see that. There's that one. And same thing, like different books, different pages, lots of stitching. Very, very cool. Lots of pullouts. Just, it's amazing. And I mean, again, you can put your stuff in here. It's meant for you to do your own creating, your journaling, whatever you want to put in here. But it is hands down one of the coolest books I've ever seen. And so much thought and love and creativity was put into this. So I really recommend checking out her website. Then you got this with some pullouts. And again, $45 Canadian. So look how awesome that is. I could go on and on and on. There's tons and tons and tons to these. So there's that one. And for those of you who do not like colorful, which I know there's a bunch of you who don't, there's also a muted one. The one I have for the auction is a colorful one. So there's that one. Look at that. Very earth toned, if you will. So I will show you that. Same thing, her little saying. And yeah, check this out. Look how amazing that is. Like I'm a mixed media artist myself. I'm heavily into scrapbooking and ollie paper arts. I have been an art kid my entire life, but this is pretty awesome. I can't do this for $45. So I just wanted to show you that this is an option. And look at this, like she even put a calendar in here, that's Renoir. But there's so many different things you can put in here. And these are punches of a deer and a moose. I love how that pops through and you see a picture. It's amazing how she's done this. And yeah, you can just add your own things and add your own flair and take to it. But pretty cool, hey? So yeah, check out Nancy's website. Again, the link is in the description. And I recommend checking out Painted Moose if you're in the area. So $45 each, my friends. Can't go wrong. So check out Nancy's website and tell her Renee sent you. And I hope you get these and enjoy because they're absolutely gorgeous and it helps a local artist. So make sure you subscribe to this feed and check out all the description links down below to check out my other social media. Thanks for watching, friends. Have a great day.